All right, guys, hopefully this is what you got for questions 13, 16, 17, and 18. I got $1,375 for number 13, $22.13 for number 16. I got $167.85 for number 17. Number 18, I got $25.99. Number 21, I got $1,325.98. Number 22, I got $143. Number 23, I got $57.58. And number 24, I got $6.08. If you guys have any questions with those, raise your hand, and maybe Ms. Fortover or Mrs. Renkel could go over those for you guys. But what I want to do is jump to question number 31, and I want to figure out 127 is what percent of 36? And in the past, you guys have talked about this little proportion is over of equals percent over 100. And what I'm going to do is use this proportion to figure out what percent of 36 is 127. Okay? So I do not know my percent because it's asking what percent. So I'm going to say x over 100 because that's where percent over 100. 127 is, so that's going to go in the is spot, 127, and then of 36. So 127 over 36 equals x over 100. The way we solve proportions is we cross multiply. So we're going to take 127 times 100, and then we're going to take x times 36. So I have 127 with 2 zeros equals 36x. When I divide both sides by 36, I got my percentage to be 352.78%. That's what I got x to be. Let's try another one. Let's look at number 32. 39% of 109 is what? We do not know the is. Is over of equals percent over 100. So I know my percent is 39 over 100 of 109. Is I do not know. So that's a big question mark. Is what? So we're going to cross multiply. I have 100x equals 39 times 109, which turns out to be 4,251 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100, and I got x to be 42.51. Try a couple more with you guys. Is over of equals percent over 100. All right, so what percent? I do not know my percent. X over 100. 21 is going to go where the is. Of 31, or 30 is the of. So I'm going to cross multiply. 30x equals 21 times 100 is 2100. Divide both sides by 30. And I get x to be 70%. And I'll do one more. All right. Is over of equals percent over 100. So I know my percent is 79 over 100. What is? I do not know my is. X over 91 of. Cross multiply. I have 100x equals 79 times 91, which was 7,189 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And I get x to be 71.89. I'm going to ask you guys to try the next four for me. I'll pause the video, and then once we have an idea of where everybody's at, you can show the rest of it. And this is what I got. I got 40 for number 35. I got 25.4% for number 36. 350 for number 37, and number 38, I got 35.3%. What I'm going to ask you guys to do is I want you guys to try Flashback number 15 homework, and do all of them except 11 through 14, and I will see you guys tomorrow.